Want to download and install Mango app on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily install Mango app on your device. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. Once you're inside App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Mango. Click on this app. In order for you to install, tap on Get Right over here. Now click on Install at the bottom of the screen. Now the application will start to download. All you gotta do is wait for the application to be installed on your device. And there you can see that the application has been installed. Tap on Open in order for you to open the app. Wait for a while for the application to load. Click on the very third option. If you want to log in into your account, click on the first option. In this page, simply enter your login credential and log in into your specific account. Or if you want to create an account, then choose the second option. Also over here, enter all of your detailed information and then tap on Create Account. Once done, your account will be created. So this is simply how you can install or download Mango app on your device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.